Hey everyone, welcome back to Gardening with Grayson. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning up the front entrance of my home. The sidewalks and the porches have been neglected for a couple of years and they're pretty moldy and mildewy. They're on the north side of the house, so you know they get pretty grimy. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So again, this is my front entrance. These are my sidewalks and my front step, my front stoop. The welcome mat, the front door. Here's the planter that we planted up the other day. It's starting to take off. This has been about a week or so, I guess. Maybe 7 days, maybe 10 days. But yeah. So as you can see, the front sidewalk, the steps are just really rough, really rough. We've had a lot of rain here, so we've got a lot of leaves and a lot of debris, a lot of sticks that are down, but you can see these sidewalks are pretty rough, and I'm going to be working in all these beds out here. They've all been neglected for a while, and like I said in a previous video, is I always come in through the garage, so I really never get a chance to see this area. So I'm going to be really working on this area quite a bit. Let me turn around the other way so you can see what I'm talking about. Like, I need to mulch, I need to weed, and I need to get all this planted up. Just over the years, it's really just kind of taken its toll. So yeah, it's been pretty rough. Gives you a better shot there. See how dark they are? Okay, you guys, here it is. So I've got all the solution sprayed on the front steps and the front porch, and it looks like it's already beginning to work. So this is just step one, phase one, and then I'll come back in and pressure wash it in a couple of days, and it'll look brand new. And it's already beginning to work and eat away all that mildew and moss. Makes it kind of slick and slippery. Being on the north side of the house, this doesn't get a lot of sun whatsoever. And here's the finished product. As you can see, it came really clean. It just needed a good pressure washing. Please disregard all these beds here on the side. I'm going to remulch all of this on the other side, but the sidewalk really came clean. It is a dirty job, and I'm glad that it's over. I was covered from head to toe in dirt and mud. As you can see how wet everything is. Even my garden hose is still out that I'll be putting up soon. I will be trimming all these akubas back off of the sidewalk. As you can see, they are now growing over into, but it all came really clean, y'all. So the bricks, I did all of the brick here. I cleaned it all off, pressure washed everything, and actually doing the bleach water bath on everything and the previous video really helped to loosen everything up. So as you can see, it all looks so much better. I'm so thrilled that this is over. I like to try to do this once a year. Look how clean this is. It's unbelievable to me. It was so dark with it being on the north side of the house. It really gets dirty. It gets really bad. And we've had a lot of rain in the last couple of days. So once all the sidewalks dry, it's going to be nice. So, and the cocoa liner basket that we planted the other day, about a week ago, it's looking great. All right, everyone, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, Gardening with Grayson, and we will see you in the next video.